Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. I wanted to give you an update because I think we're getting here very close to a decision point. Obviously, we've come all the way from down here, $155, where we accelerated away from this ascending trend line here. One of the moves that we've seen with many other cryptos as well, this ascending trend line, pull back to the trend line. As I always say, in an uptrend, a potential buying opportunity. Again, no financial advice. But then, yeah, we accelerated away from it, had a few retracements, came all the way up to $216. Since then, we've been retracing, and I think we're coming here to a decision point at the moment. We've got a descending wedge, which is normally more likely to break to the upside. This is a bullish consolidation, you know, after a strong uptrend where we were just getting in an overheated market. I mean, we are on the 1 hour chart, but even on the 1 hour, you can see that, you know, we were getting overbought here basically. So what started happening, you had here on the 1 hour chart a very clear bearish divergence. So the prices were going up, but the RSI was going down, lower highs on the RSI, whereas you have higher highs on the price, indicating a potential reversal, and then that dropped. So the RSI dropped together with the price, and we didn't have a divergence anymore. So the price was mimicking what the RSI was mimicking what the price was doing. And I think now we're getting to a decision point. Why a decision point? Well, when you draw a Fibonacci, the Fibonacci levels from that move down here to the top of 215, and you can see this is a valid Fibonacci. You know, we had support here at the golden pocket, the 0.618. I had support here throughout at the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level at 192. So in my opinion, that is valid. We also had resistance here at this Fibonacci retracement level, the 0.214. So we've been trading between this range now for a bit, and the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level 192 has really provided support here throughout. So here it was only the wicks, but there you go. Here you've got the bodies, and there as well, very close to it. It's a descending wedge, in my view, more likely to break to the upside. I think we could continue our continuation here to the upside, but as always, we never know if a breakout is going to happen until it has happened. But I just want to make you aware before a potential breakout happens. I think, as I said, we've come to a decision point here. I think if we break above this one at around 156, yeah, and potentially have a retest then, but we don't need to have a retest, not always, then we could come to the $200 mark again. Certainly, I think, you know, when you start away from here, you'll have the $198, which is that previous high. And then we've got here sort of the $200 mark range. There's a bit of a range here going on. Through which we have to go, and then we can get and do another attempt on the 216 US dollar level. So that's pretty much where we are. I think, you know, today we could have a bit of a breakout here. Now, if we really drop, you know, should we drop to a lower level, I think we can certainly find, first of all, some support here at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level at $185. If we don't, then we'll probably find some support here at the previous lows. So that low was at 180, and then we've got the golden pocket here, so pretty much 178. Yeah, so it's again, it's a range here. So it's somewhere in this area between 178, 180 we'll find some support. And then we had a resistance here before at the 175 US dollar level. So that'll provide some support as well. So I don't think we'll easily fall below that level. If yes, then I think a pullback to that 20-day or 50-day moving average here is likely. But at the moment, I think this is still a bullish consolidation, just consolidating on that 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level at $192. Yeah, we're currently comfortable above that, and because we see some green candles, and maybe that will be that breakout. You know, again, we could come down once more, but oftentimes you don't really wait until you really are in the apex. So oftentimes the breakout happens before that. And if we take a look on the daily chart, we can see actually that we are still sort of overbought, but we brought the RSI down, obviously. So let me just make that a bit clearer here. So yeah, from that top as well, you know, we had a peak here on the RSI. We've brought it down now a little bit. To be honest, not that much, but with Solana before, I mean, we started pumps when we were getting close into the overbought range. So already down here, we started. That was back in here. There you go. That was back in August, 14th of August, when we hit the overbought range actually on the daily. Then we started pumping, right? So, and we kept in that overbought range for a really long time. So this doesn't mean necessarily that we need to get on the daily like much lower. but it's just something to keep an eye on. You know, the MACD, certainly we have some, you know, we made a bullish cross here on the 20th of October, so that indicates further price increases. MACD is also not too high, so there's scope to the upside as well on the MACD. And you know, yeah, the only concerning thing a little bit is that the 20-day moving average is now quite far away. But certainly, you know, we're making higher highs here, above that high, above that high. Didn't quite get through that 216 level in the first attempt, but at the moment, you know, I think we're coiling up for another move here to the upside. Again, not guaranteed, but with that descending wedge at the moment, it's looking likely that we could break out from here to the upside, pretty much as we've done from here. Yeah, that was another bullish consolidation here. Found support here on the 20-day moving average. Yeah, so had some breakout there, and here out of the triangle we also moved to the upside, you know, as soon as we broke some key levels. And now again, I think, you know, we've got that clearly defined descending wedge. So let me know what you think Solana is going to do. I think we see some green candles here now at the moment, and that could be the breakout coming now, or we just have to wait a little bit longer. But in that move here, if we continue that move to the upside, we would see a breakout at around $195, $196. We wouldn't even need the 196. All right, so hopefully you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.